Poko, Parania no Selite, Emeto, Etomina Finaka. Barito Ayanda. Hey, with your hands clapping. I will pray. I will pray. I will not fail. I will not fail. I will not falter. I will not disappoint my master till the day. I will not fail. I will not fail. I will not falter. I will not disappoint my master till the day. Only you can satisfy. Only you can keep me warm. Ayadanase, Ilagate, Walatamile, Lalele. Only you can satisfy. Only you can keep me warm. Only you can keep me satisfied. Only you can satisfy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Till the day you reach up, I will not fail. I will not falter. I will not disappoint my master. Till the day, I will not fail. I will not falter. I will not disappoint my master. Till the day, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, hey. Inside, outside. Hey, hey, hey. I will not fail. I will not falter. I will not disappoint my master. Till the day, I will not fail. Yeah, yeah. I will never die. I will not falter. I will not disappoint my master. Till the day, only you can satisfy me. Only you can keep me burning. Only you can keep me satisfied. Till the day you reach up, only I am. You can satisfy me. Only you can keep me burning. Only you can keep me can't hear you. Only you. Ayana. Eulade come size. Let me hear you. I will not fail. But pray for that person. You will not fall. You will not fall. Those of us outside, don't worry, we are with you. You are with us. We are one. Online, you are in. Let me hear your voice. That person you are holding, tell him, you will not fall. You will not fail. You will not falter. You will live to please only Jesus. Can you pray? I can't hear you. The Lord promised that He's going to raise watchmen. He's going to raise intercessors, genuine ones, over territories. Annas that will not care that John is in the wilderness. Outside, can you hear me? Online, if you can participate, your head is legible. Metadwao. Pray for that person you are holding. We are sounding an alarm to every nation of the earth. But at Adventure, there is a watchman that left his watchtower and ran to the city. The Lord is about to call him back. Womolo and Peradventure, there is a watchman that is supposed to be in the village.
And the pressures of life threw him off. We are saying awake. 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 Ooh. Apua tanai. Megudanta labakula. Mapua polo. Apolo kudaya kaputa gamaista. Kwambo polutami. What to akapupe? Paraventure. There is a prophetess that is now a prostitute. We cry awake. We are working to order. The last day army has promised are people that will run and not break ranks. Gird up your loins with strength. Contend for nations in prayer. Holy army, arise. Gird up your loins with strength. Intercessors arise. Holy army,
gird up your loins with strength. Contend for nations in prayer.
Intercessors arise.
Intercessors arise. Get up your loins with strength. Contend for nations in prayer.
I hear my Father says he's giving strength.
Get up your loins with
all you need to do is to appear in Zion. Strength is available. Strength.
Intercessors arise. Get up your loins with strength. Contend for nations in prayer.
Holy army, arise.
Holy army, arise. Get up your loins with strength. Contend for nations in prayer.
We will no longer lose territories to the sons of the bondwoman.
Get up your loins with strength. Contend for nations in prayer.
Awake, awake, awake.
Awake, 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 awake. Almighty man, awake, awake, awake. Awake, 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 awake. Almighty man, awake, awake, awake.
Awake!
Awake, 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 awake.
Oh, warrior!
Almighty man, awake, awake, awake.
Tribals!
Awake, 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 awake. Almighty man, awake, awake, awake.
Awake!
Awake, 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 awake.
Amini anamana yule. Hallelujah ile jana jegale. Afewe cheti to ikodu Okaka te oelane aloe abamio Alo bidane One more time with your hands lifted. Hello, be thy name. One more time, louder. Hello, be thy name. Oka